Welcome to my landscape photography channel. My name's Stephen Milner and I am a landscape photographer from New Zealand. So I'm in the northern part of New Zealand on a family holiday in a place called Mangawai, and we've been having a fantastic time. And while I was here, I discovered this giant sand dune that I just can't kind of describe to you right now, other than it's really, really tall and just sticks out like a sore thumb. So yesterday, me and my family went for a walk down there, and it's about an hour's walk from the beach access just up the way here. So I thought I would come back tonight for the sunset and try and shoot some film photography with my Mamiya 7 and a roll of Fuji Velvia 50. It's about an hour's walk and it's currently 7:05, sunset's at 8:30, and I'm going to get a bit of a move on. So yeah, it's going to be a bit of a walk down there, so yeah. Relax and enjoy the film, and hopefully there are going to be some beautiful shots, and I will see you down there. Okay, so we made it down the beach, and as you can just see behind me here, it's a giant sand dune. I don't know if my camera is doing it quite justice. I mean, the focal length on my camera is 24mm, so it's quite wide, so you probably can't really get the true scale of that sand dune while we're down here, but there it is. You can see the sun setting behind the sand dune, and a lot of this face here you can see behind me is already in shadow. So I'm gonna have a bit of a look around. I came here yesterday, so I've got an idea of where I want to be, and there's a couple of challenges. I guess the first one is when I came here yesterday, it was quite a popular spot for people bodyboarding down the sand dune, so there may be you know, some human disturbances I'm gonna have to work with, and also I don't really know how the light's gonna fall across the landscape here, because I've not been here before at this time of day. But that being said, I'm just going to have a good look round, and no doubt I'll make something work, and I'm looking forward to it. So I'm going to make my way over now and we'll see what we'll find. It's really quite an interesting landscape around here. I've just been walking around. What I've kind of discovered is just this white pile of pumice stone and volcanic rock here. These kind of humongous, really soft pumice stones and volcanic rock. And what's really interesting is that I'm not aware of any volcanoes around here. Like, the nearest volcanoes that I'm aware of are in Auckland, which are like an hour and a half drive south from here. So God knows how this has ended up here, or what was here before, or just the mind boggles. Interesting nevertheless. So I'm just kind of walking up the sand dune here, and as you can see there's lots of footprints around, which is a little bit frustrating, and it's quite windy. I don't think there's any chance of the wind blowing the sand over the footprints at this time of day. And as you can see, the sun is just starting to set behind me here, so the light's starting to get quite nice, and I'm getting these shadows and the ripples in the sand. And so my plan is to move up this sand dune a little bit, and I can see some interesting curves and stuff just up here, and try and arrange them into a composition with this nice light. So I think I've got another 10 minutes before I get up there, so I'm going to continue and we shall see what we will find. So I've just set off my first shot here, and as you can tell it's quite windy, and the sun's just going down now, and the light across the land is starting to fade. So I've taken a shot before I lose that light, and I managed to find this interesting little kind of curve in the sand dune here that winds up towards the top of the sand dune, which I quite like. So I took a shot. So first shot done, I'm pretty pleased about that. Got a bit chaotic there for a minute because there was a flock of seagulls that were right above my head, kind of squawking at me and kind of dive bombing at me, and I thought, oh, I'm going to have to move here. Maybe I've disturbed a nest, but you know, I can't see how there's any nests up here. So the light's going down now, and I'm going to keep looking around and see what I find. Pretty happy with what I've took so far. So I've just got the second shot in the bag. I'm starting to move up the sand dune here, and there's some quite interesting curves. So I'm just following that theme, and I've got my 50mm lens on here, my Mamiya 7. I'm just kind of arranging them into a way that leads the eye through the scene. So I'm going to continue to move up. Wind's getting up now. It's getting a bit chilly. Lights really come down. We're entering towards the twilight hour now, and yeah, so it's all looking very good. I'm going to continue. So third shot done, I think this is my favourite so far. I'm kind of on the edge of the sand dune, and on one side we're in complete shadows, on the other side we're in kind of semi-twilight light, and it's giving this beautiful kind of contrast. It's a bit, you know, cliche, and I've seen it done before, but I saw it, I just had to get it. So yeah, looking forward to seeing how this one turns out. I'm going to continue to see what else I can find. So I've got my fourth shot done. Light's really starting to come down now, the wind's getting up. You can probably hear the wind whistling through my camera. Quite windy. So I've just set up for my, I think it's my fifth shot, pretty sure it's my fifth shot. I've come down off the sand dune now because I didn't really find anything else that I wanted to work with. I've come down so you can kind of see the peak of the sand dune now going up there, so I've just arranged composition. Quite a long exposure this one, it's up at 2.5 minutes, so camera's running, and I'm going to get this one done. I'm going to move a bit further up this way and see what else I can find. When I was on the way down, I could see some interesting lines below me, so I'm just going to go and check those out. So that's it for tonight's video. I've run out of light. I managed to get 6 shots in, and the stars are out now. So yeah, we're going to call it a day. I've got an hour's walk back to the car and then drive back to where I'm staying. So yeah, it's been quite cool to explore this area. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe to my channel, that would be awesome. And hit the notification bell. And check out my Facebook page and Instagram page, I'd really appreciate that. And yeah, hopefully you've enjoyed this video and I've done this area justice and the images have turned out great. So bye for now, please tune in for the next video, and take care, see you soon, bye.